Hello everyone, here are Live Well Jamaica's top 5 stories. Live Well Jamaica's Gimme 5 stories for the week of March 22 to 26. These stories are here to take us into the weekend feeling hopeful, inspired, and empowered. These top 5 stories are posted on Live Well Jamaica's blog, livewellja.com. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get your weekly roundup of positive Jamaican stories. Positive vibrations, you will feel empowered, inspired, and hopeful. Now, here are the listings of the top 5 Jamaican stories, positive Jamaican stories for the week of March 22 to 26, and the titles are as follows. Number 1, No Holding Back. Jhe'Vonte reclaims his self-confidence by seeking therapy. Number 2, Big Man Cry, No Shame in Tears, written by yours truly, Jade Cross. 3, Her Anxiety is Through the Roof, but Khdrea Learns to Cope, written by Marion McCollum. Number 4, Joan Steadman's Undeniable Strength is What Shaggy Sung About, written by Rolanda Steadman. Number 5, Woman Living with HIV for 13 years, Overcome All Odds to Own Business. First up, here's a little bit of an adrenaline rush for you. Being face to face with death is terrifying and petrifying. For Jhe'Vonte though, that was very real and pulsating at one point in time. Looking straight down into the nozzle of an M16 and seeing a police's finger on the trigger is enough to evoke post-traumatic stress disorder. Read Jhe'Vonte's story, No Holding Back. Jhe'Vonte reclaims his self-confidence to learn how therapy can be a practical solution for men, especially for life's traumatic events. Secondly, let's show the men some love and support by discussing toxic masculinity and how to eradicate that problem by providing a safe space for men to express themselves constructively to lessen violence, mental health issues, and toxic relationships. Now, channeling Coffee's lockdown vibe, here Khdrea Jones gives us insights into how one can have a productive lockdown period. As a matter of fact, we are heading into another one starting this weekend, and it's time to focus on what truly makes you happy and impactful on the universe. Do you want to know the strength of a woman? Check out Joan Steadman's story and be inspired. We have just left the celebration of International Women's Day behind, but this should be celebrated every day because every day women show us that they can survive, they can overcome, they can do anything. They are really superheroes. Now, finally, I know COVID-19 is the new and popular virus everywhere now, but HIV/AIDS is still happening and causing devastating effects physically, mentally, and emotionally. Charlene helps us to understand that though we are weak, we have the strength to fight, survive, and be resilient in the face of life-threatening illnesses. There you have it, top 5 positive Jamaican stories. Gimme 5 for the week of March 22 to 26. Read these amazing stories and more on Live Well Jamaica, livewellja.com, and check out Live Well Jamaica's social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and do have an empowered and productive weekend. Live in peace, live in love, Live Well Jamaica.